Hi, this is example number 1 of this lecture. So in this one, the radius of nucleus with mass number 16 is given as 3 Fermi. Okay, so we have the formula of radius of a nucleus is R naught, R is equals to R naught A raised to power 1 by 3. Now in this form, in this question, it is given that radius is 3 Fermi. Okay, so that is equals to R naught into A. A is the mass number, so 16 raised to power 1 by 3. Okay. So from here you can get the value of R naught. Next they are asking the radius of another nucleus with mass number 128 is. Okay. Now for the second nucleus, let's say its radius is R. R will be equals to R naught into A raised to power 1 by 3. For this nucleus, A is 128. So 128 raised to power 1 by 3. Okay. So you have to solve this equation. So let's divide these two. So you will R naught will get cancelled. So you will get 3 by R is equals to 16 by 128 raised to power 1 by 3. Okay. So if I cancel it, this one, 4, this will become 32, then again 8. So you are getting 3 by R is equals to 1 by 8 raised to power 1 by 3. This implies that 3 by R. Now 1 by 8 I can write as 1 by 2 raised to power 3 into 1 by 3 is, it will give you 1 by 2. So from here you will get the value of R is equals to 6. So answer will be 6 Fermi. That will be our answer. Okay. So let's move to the next example. Now two protons are kept at separation of 10 nanometer. Let Fn be the nuclear force and Fe be the electrostatic force between them. So we have to find which of these two is greater, nuclear force or electrostatic force, or maybe, or are they equal? That we have to find. Now we know that nuclear force is a very strong force, but it is applicable only between, let's say we have one nuclei here and another particle here. If the distance between these two is very small, of the order 10 raised to power minus 15 meters, then only nuclear force will become huge. But if the distance is larger than this, then nuclear force is very weak. Now in this question it is given that the distance is of 10 nanometer. Okay, but 10 nanometer is very large than 10 raised to power minus 15 meter. So means in this case nuclear force won't be that much strong than electrostatic force. So our option will be B. Why electrostatic force here is greater? Because the distance between these two protons is very larger than 10 raised to power minus 15 meter. So our answer is B. Thank you.